Okay, welcome everybody, this is Jackpoteers and today we are trying to get 3 bonuses on the Dog House Megaways. Brand new slot by Pragmatic Play. Yeah, I've been waiting for this one to come out. Pretty exciting. This is my first look at it. We've got £50 in the bank there. We're going to do 20p spins and then I'm going to start spinning and we'll see if we can get our first bonus. Here we go. I'll bring you back when we get something. Nice. There's our first fairly nice win. £5.76. Got a cut, 3 multipliers in there, and I'll get back to you when we get something else. Come on. Yes! First bonus. And we're down to £41. So we've got a choice here. There's 2 bonuses to choose from. We either go for the sticky wilds, so we only have 7 free spins here. And if a wild appears on the screen, it stays there for the duration. Or we have these raining wilds, 15 free spins, where the wilds just drop in. I'm going to go for the sticky wilds first. See what we get. There's one. There's another. Good placing. Let's get some more. Yeah. Oh, they move around as well on the reel. Okay. That's good. We've only got 3 spins left, so we need to hit some more pretty quick. Oh, that's unlucky. 2 spins left. Good symbol at the front there, but we need something on reels 4. It's not a bad win. Last spin. Pretty poor. Okay. So there's our first ever, that's my first ever bonus on the Dog House Megaways, and it was pretty average, £6.32. I was hoping for better. Doesn't get us back up to our £50. We are now on £47. Okay, so next bonus, I will choose the other one, so we get a bit of variety. Okay, oh that's nice. £2.88. I'll bring you back when we're back to 50 quid. I'll bring you back when we get the next bonus or a big win. Come on. Yeah! Second bonus. Get in there. How quick was that? We are on £46 and we're going to go for the raining wilds this time. As I said, a bit of variety, and then the third bonus I'll go back to the sticky wilds. So here we go then, raining wilds. We've got 15 free spins this time. Come on. So we get a random wilds on the screen. This one is probably less volatile than the other bonus. Pretty bad at the moment. This is that's it. You want more than 2 wilds on the screen. Come on. Oh, this is terrible. Ooh. So it's quite exciting that we got a bonus, but then the bonus was really bad. Oh, what a waste. What a waste. There you go, 12p. probably the last time I'm ever going to choose that bonus. Always go for the other one, I think. Right. Ah, that's annoying. Okay. Hopefully we get the third bonus pretty quick, and then we're going to go for the sticky wilds this time. Okay, I'll bring you back when we get something. Ooh, nice win there. Keep going. Well, we needed this. £5.76 on the base game. Puts us nearly back to £50. We're on 48. Fingers crossed the third and final bonus comes in quick. Then we've got a chance of leaving with profit. Okay, I'll get back to you when something happens. Whoop. Come on. Come on. Yes! Third bonus. Woo! Okay. Wow. Okay. We are £4 away from our starting point of 50. So, it's all to play for. We're going to go for the sticky wilds. This is the last bonus. We need £4 or £5 to make a profit. Let's see how we do. Here we go. Oh, I'm so chuffed with that. We got the bonuses really quick. I was really worried that we wouldn't even get a bonus with £50. Come on. That's nice. Come on. We need at least a fiver here. Come on, we've got 3 spins left. Come on, we need another wild in. Oh, that's alright. Let's do the premium symbol at the front. Nice, nice. That's looking good. Mega win. Yes. We made a profit here, I've got a feeling. Yes, we made a profit! Yes! Whew! So when I started this one, I honestly thought it was going to be goodbye £50. But luckily we had 3 bonuses really fairly quickly. And this third bonus has done us alright. Yeah, it's not brilliant, but it's £11.62, which puts us £7.36 in profit. Brilliant! What a result. Okay. Oh, I really enjoyed that. Right, so there we have it. The Dog House Megaways. Hope you enjoyed the video. We made a profit. It's always good. Okay, please subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate your support, guys. So please, it doesn't cost anything, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we'll get back to you with the next one. Okay, bye for now.